Deep in the solar system, a tiny frozen moon is actively screaming its internal ocean right out into the void of space, and scientists just flew a spacecraft right through it. This is Enceladus. It's one of Saturn's smallest major moons, a blindingly white, hyper-reflective ball of pure ice floating in a sub-zero nightmare. By all the laws of basic physics, it should be a dead, frozen block of stone. But it isn't. Tearing through the south pole of this tiny world are four massive fractures known as the tiger stripes. And out of these gashes, Enceladus is violently venting. It shoots towering geysers of water vapor, ice crystals, and gases thousands of miles out into space at over 800 miles an hour. But where does a frozen moon get all this water? Hidden beneath a crust of ice up to 25 miles thick lies a global, liquid water ocean. And it isn't just trapped down there. The colossal gravitational pulling of Saturn constantly flexes the moon's core, generating intense heat. The pressure builds up, cracks the ice, and forces the ocean to geyser directly into the vacuum of space. In fact, Enceladus sprays so much material that it literally builds its own environment. Over 90% of the ice grains escape the moon's gravity and fall into orbit around Saturn, single-handedly creating the giant, ghost-like E-ring. But here's where the story gets mind-blowing. NASA didn't just watch this happen from a distance. They sent the Cassini spacecraft directly into the crossfire. Cassini dipped low, screaming through the frozen plumes at thousands of miles an hour, essentially tasting the alien ocean. And what did it find? It wasn't just pure water. It was salt water. It contained methane, ammonia, and complex macromolecular organic compounds, the chemical building blocks of life. Even more shocking, Cassini detected microscopic particles of silica. On Earth, these particles only form when rock and water interact at temperatures above 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the smoking gun. Deep at the bottom of this alien ocean are active, boiling hydrothermal vents, spewing minerals into the dark, warm water. This means Enceladus doesn't just have water, it has the exact same energy sources and chemical environments that sparked the very first life forms at the bottom of Earth's oceans. We used to think finding alien life meant looking light years away on distant planets. Enceladus is throwing its secrets directly at us. It's an open-air laboratory waiting for us to return. If a probe dives back into those geysers tomorrow and finds living alien microbes, how would that change your view of our place in the cosmos? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more.